words and deeds are two sides of the same coin. You choose one wrongly and you end up making a disaster. Hi friends, I am Dr. Ashita Nangaonkar, founder of Alkanand Homeo-Care Clinic, homeopathic consultant and psychological counselor. And you're watching my very own channel, Alkanand Clinic. Today's topic for discussion is anger management. Today, in this video, I will be sharing 3 rules to control your anger. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, press the bell icon now and stay notified to stay educated. Anger can be defined as a strong feeling of displeasure leading to outrage of words that tend to hurt other people. Anger can be expressed in different forms. Some might just shout in anger. Some might get violent to the extent of hitting in anger. Some might just cry and keep the anger to themselves. Then which form of anger really needs to be managed? The anger which leads to self-harm or harm to other people at physical or emotional level needs to be controlled. To control your anger, you first need to know what makes you angry. Is it a specific person, a specific behavior, or a specific situation? Once we know what makes us angry, we just need to follow the first rule. Keep yourself away from the situation, person, or behavior that makes you angry. Now, not all the situation or such people can be avoided. For example, if you have a boss who keeps on criticizing you every day, you can't really avoid him. So what can we do in such situation? We can just follow rule number 2. Ask yourself if you can change that person or his behavior. The obvious answer coming is no. So simply what you have to do is accept it. Surely this will reduce the effect of that person's behavior on you and you will be less affected. Mostly it are the words that you use during your anger which leads you to regret later. But it is very difficult to be appropriate when your brain has overpowered by the emotion of anger. So in this case, what you can do is use rule number 3. Delay the response. When you react instantly, it is your emotional brain that guides you. When you let a few moments pass, your logical brain, which is temporarily overpowered by the emotional brain, takes its charge back. And you start thinking, is your anger reasonable enough? Even if it is reasonable enough, you react or behave in such a manner which is logical and that don't harm yourself or others. These are the 3 rules that you need to learn to control your anger or for anger management. Now, as it is important to control anger, it is very important to express your anger. Anger is a strong emotion and it has a lot of energy. When this energy is put together for more productive and constructive way, you can make it your strength. Let's take to the last example. If your boss criticizes your work for every now and then, you can convert your anger to make yourself a perfectionist, where no more nooks can be pointed out. Anger can be expressed in any form of art such as dancing, painting, writing poetry. All these are also constructive and productive way of putting your anger together. Remember, anger can destroy you, but also it can make you the best. Choice is all yours. I hope you found this video useful. For any further queries or online consultations, you can contact me on the below given detail. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned, stay subscribed.